Welcome, C-suite leaders. Let's jump right into today's explainer. We're talking about artificial intelligence. And look, we all know AI has moved way beyond being just a flashy tech trend, right? Today, it is absolutely your core engine for long-term cost reduction and real competitive advantage. So if your leadership team is looking to understand exactly how AI improves productivity and operational efficiency across a modern enterprise, well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down how this tech essentially takes over repetitive tasks, drives significantly smarter decisions, and ultimately unlocks unprecedented growth for your bottom line.
Here is our roadmap for the explainer today. We'll start with 1, the transition to AI-driven. Then move into 2, automating operations and productivity. From there, we'll cover 3, optimizing the global workforce, and 4, elevating the customer experience. Finally, we'll wrap up with 5, industry-specific competitive advantages, and 6, the future of decision-making. All right, let's kick things off. Section 1, the transition to AI-driven.
Moving right into Section 2, automating operations and productivity.
So the true foundation of this transition, it starts right on the factory floor and in your day-to-day operations. AI's absolute biggest value to the enterprise is taking over those boring, repetitive tasks. Why? Because you want your highly paid human capital focusing on high-value creativity and growth, not data entry. AI drastically reduces error rates and running costs by moving through a continuous life cycle of efficiency. It's essentially a 4-step process. Step 1, it analyzes a massive ton of data to find hidden patterns. Step 2, it actively spots bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Step 3, it fixes those problems almost instantly. And Step 4, it prevents delays before they even happen. I mean, it can literally predict when a machine is going to fail, meaning you can deploy maintenance before a catastrophic, costly breakdown even occurs.
You can really think of AI as a smart planner. It's a planner that knows exactly when to start and stop making things, which completely eliminates unnecessary waiting and perfectly optimizes your resources. So what's the takeaway here? Tasks get done faster, resources are used incredibly wisely, and your business becomes holistically more efficient. And that, of course, directly and positively impacts the bottom line.
Let's shift gears to Section 3, optimizing the global workforce.
As we optimize our teams and try to break down those stubborn corporate silos, we really have to address global operations. Language barriers in your supply chain or during internal meetings, they cause costly mistakes, confusion, and serious misunderstandings. And sure, we've had tools like Google Translate for a while, but let's be honest, they aren't exactly perfect for nuanced, live, human-to-human conversations. Enter natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a game changer because it gives machines the ability to understand the actual meaning and the cultural context behind cross-border communications. It doesn't just do a rigid text translation. It understands the words like we do, reading into the nuance and making international emails and meetings drastically smoother.
And beyond communication, AI optimizes your workforce right at the point of entry. I'm talking about recruitment. For your HR and hiring teams, AI acts as an incredible accelerator. It utilizes conversational chatbots for initial candidate screening completely effortlessly, and it instantly sorts massive piles of applications by exact qualifications. This gives your entire hiring process a massive speed boost, eliminating those long, frustrating wait times for applicants and ensuring you can scoop up top talent significantly faster than your competitors.
Let's move on to Section 4, elevating the customer experience.
Pivoting outwardly toward the consumer, this is where AI acts as a direct, highly scalable revenue generator for your brand. Imagine walking into a physical brick-and-mortar store, where the staff instantly knows your name, your size, and your favorite products. That's exactly what AI is doing online. In retail, AI acts as a 24/7 digital shopping assistant. It leverages past purchases, browsing history, and unique customer preferences to offer highly personalized recommendations. Plus, it provides immediate, highly accurate customer service that scales effortlessly. You get all that without needing to double or triple your support headcount. And your marketing teams, they're getting a massive upgrade too. Today's marketers are utilizing cutting-edge tools like OpenAI, DALL-E 2, and ChatGPT to automate tedious email marketing tasks and drive highly efficient content creation at scale. AI completely changes the game here by making marketing incredibly creative, sure, but more importantly, it makes it entirely data-driven. Advertisers can now accurately predict consumer behavior, which transforms standard hit-or-miss strategies into highly efficient revenue engines.
Okay, Section 5, industry-specific competitive advantages.
As a proof of concept, we don't have to look to the future. AI is delivering specialized efficiency and distinct, measurable advantages across major global sectors right now. Just look at healthcare. AI acts like a brilliant, tireless detective, analyzing complex medical images to catch cancer cells earlier than human doctors, simply because an algorithm never gets fatigued. Or take transportation. It's actively predicting traffic jams and suggesting faster routes to optimize logistics, all while reducing accidents. And in finance, it's detecting fraud instantly and making incredibly complex stock predictions to empower informed investing and protect accounts.
Looking specifically at that finance sector for a moment, AI is effectively acting as a high-tech security guard for your money. It keeps a tireless, unblinking eye on millions of transactions, spotting unusual patterns and fraudulent activities with a level of accuracy that human monitoring could just never achieve. It's essentially a personalized financial coach and a dedicated security detail wrapped into one, perfectly protecting institutional assets and client accounts alike.
And finally, we arrive at Section 6, the future of decision-making.
This brings us to the most critical executive function we're going to discuss today: how AI permanently elevates your boardroom strategy. For years, the absolute gold standard in the C-suite was being data-driven. But let's be real. Relying on humans to manually pore over spreadsheets and summarize vast amounts of data is a painstakingly slow process. It's prone to human error, and frankly, it's a massive waste of valuable resources. The new standard is becoming AI-driven. This means automated trend spotting. It means instantly predicting future outcomes with a level of accuracy that manual processes simply cannot touch.
By putting vast amounts of already analyzed information directly at your fingertips, AI doesn't just hand you a spreadsheet and wish you luck. It actually actively suggests the best course of action. Because AI is fundamentally faster and infinitely more accurate at processing this scale of information, it becomes an invaluable boardroom resource. It vastly reduces the manual hours your team spends on strategic planning, it saves incredible amounts of corporate resources, and it allows executives to act decisively and confidently.
Which leaves us with the ultimate bottom-line question for your leadership team today. Your company has likely spent the last decade fighting hard to become data-driven, but as the landscape completely shifts toward total automation and predictive intelligence, are you ready to become AI-driven? Think about the unprecedented operational efficiency and the massive cost savings being left on the table if you aren't. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep innovating out there, and I'll see you next time.